Welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Monday evening, March 31st, 2025, and we have a lineup of business and corporate headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Forian Inc. announces restatement of previously issued financials and affirms 2024 outlook. Forian Inc., a leading provider of data science-driven information and analytics solutions, announced a restatement of certain historical financial statements in its annual report. The Audit Committee determined that previously issued financial statements should no longer be relied upon due to a technical application of ASC 606. This restatement is expected to increase previously reported revenues and net income since 2021. Forian expects to file the 2024 Form 10-K within the extension period of 15 days. The company will defer its conference call and webcast until it reports financial results for the quarter ended March 31, 2025. Forian provides non-GAAP financial measures like adjusted EBITDA to help investors analyze performance. The company advises caution in reliance on forward-looking statements and disclaims any obligation to update or alter them.
ILOS announces date for its annual shareholder meeting. ILOS International Inc. announced that its annual shareholder meeting will take place on June 20, 2025, in Miami, Florida. Despite recent macroeconomic challenges, the company has focused on cost optimization and long-term growth initiatives. ILS facilitated a share swap with NASDAQ-listed Fusion Fuel Green plc, making it the largest shareholder of HTOU. The management will present strategic objectives, advancements, and ongoing initiatives at the meeting. ILS is actively working on uplisting its subsidiaries and preparing for its own transition to a major exchange. CEO Nicholas Link expressed optimism about the company's future and its commitment to delivering long-term value to shareholders. The company is currently addressing SEC comments and regulatory matters to ensure accurate financial reporting moving forward. UNOS adds 2 members to its board of directors. The United Network for Organ Sharing, UNOS, has announced the addition of 2 new board members, Melina Davis and Mark Johnson. Both will begin their terms on April 1, 2025, and serve until September 30, 2028. Davis is the CEO of the Medical Society of Virginia, while Johnson is the former CEO of Aver Health and BetterMed Urgent Care. Their appointment was approved by a full board vote on March 24th. UNOS Chair Sue Dunn expressed excitement, stating that their backgrounds align with UNOS's mission to save and improve lives. Davis and Johnson bring decades of executive leadership experience, and they are committed to advocating for innovative solutions and enhancing donor awareness within the organ donation and transplant system.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.